What up, y'all? I'm back. Um, so I bought a new car, as y'all can see. Don't worry, I still got the talk. I still got the show, so I didn't get rid of that shit. But this is my 2003 Buick Century. Bought it for like 1,700. Actually, I'm on my way to take it to Firestone, and I'm gonna show you in a minute why. But I bought this car for just it's strictly for dailies for me to get back and forth to work. Sorry for the cars in the background, but this is like the most open space I could find. So it's nothing special, dog. It got a little 3.1 engine in it. It's actually clean, for the body. There's no like dents, no crazy rust, anything. Trunk is all cool. Got a little scuff mark. That's probably for me, honestly. Yeah, it's cool, man. It's all. It was alright. Um, got 122,000 miles on it. Tires is fairly good. I don't know why I got a fucking gear whistle on this. I don't know why I got a gear whistle, man. So, I took it to Pep Boys. Cause this I'm put you on some game. This is what I do. So I normally take it to like Pep Boys or the dealership or some shit, and then I tell them to get the oil change, and then I tell them tell me all the things wrong with it. Then I fix it myself. So I took it to Pep Boys, got the oil change, and they told me that first it needs front brakes and rotors. The right front caliper is seized. The tie rods are worn. And what are they telling me? Oh, the slate bar is cracked. So I'm like, all right, that's cool. I mean, that's all. It's 2003 car, so whatever. Shit gonna be worn. So then they told me that somebody put some stuff in the radiator. I guess because the radiator was leaking or whatnot, but somebody told me they put some stuff in there. And I'm like, I've been driving this car for a couple of days now. Like, it got the operating temp, the heat worked, everything worked. So, I don't know, but let me show y'all. Let me pop the hood and show y'all under the hood, man. All right, so, it's typical GM setup. Engine is fairly good for 2003. Well, the engine rate looks fairly good for 2003. We got some stuff going on right here. That's probably, I don't know what that is. It's probably a radiator. That's probably coolant. Yeah, I mean, it looked fairly good, but until you open this. Yeah. This is the shit that was in it. Yeah, so I don't know. We're gonna have to get it cool. So that's why I'm taking it to Firestone right now to get it coolant flush, and we're gonna see what else it needs for the coolant system. Hopefully, I mean, I was just going to get a coolant flush, replace the hoses, replace the top and the bottom hose, and replace the thermostat. So we'll see what else it needs after that. I mean, if I was buying this car to flip, I would be kind of pissed. But I bought this car to drive back and forth to work. And then it's a beater, so I'm not too mad at it. I had to get something. And what's crazy was the whole time I'm checking out the car, man, I didn't check the fucking radiator cap. Like, yo, if you don't do anything, make sure y'all check the radiator cap, man. Well, y'all should be doing everything when y'all go buy a car, checking everything. But especially, make sure y'all check the radiator cap. Make sure there's not no mud and shit in it. Because if I had saw that before I had bought it, then I wouldn't have bought this car. I would have just took my money and just went somewhere else. But it is what it is. It's my car now, so I'm just fix it up. And then we'll go from there. So I mean, it's a fairly decent car for 100 for a, what 18, 19-year-old car. Like it's cool. It's a lot better than other shit that's out there. Um, I'll tell you that for sure. Other shit, the damn hole is a hole in the floor and shit like that. So before I found all this out, I was actually gonna get a detail and I was gonna start driving it, but I gotta take care of the mechanical shit first before I do other shit. And it, like I said, it don't really need anything else but just a quick detail. Mainly, I need a detail inside. Let me show y'all inside. I put a seat cover over because that seat is kind of dirty. But other than that, it's clean, man. You know what I'm saying? It's like a typical grandma car and shit. Somebody, I don't know what the hell, I don't know what the hell is that. But, yeah, it's clean. What more can you want from a 2003 car? And pop the trunk. You can stuff body as needs to. Look at it. You stuff a body in that joint. It came with a spare. So I gotta change those trunk hood shocks and shit. But man. What else would you want from me, man? So I'm about to be out. I'm about to drop this thing off at Firestone, and hopefully that coolant, all that mud and shit can come out, and then I'll get the rest of this shit on. And then one thing though, this shit ain't got no balls. This shit ain't got no balls behind it, man. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's the air filter or something's clogged, but this shit ain't got no balls behind it. And I don't know. Maybe it's just this 3100 engine and shit. But oh well. Like I said before, it's a beater, back and forth, 9 to 5 car and shit, man. Then I come home, motherfuckers want to race me, and I hop in the show. You know what I'm saying? But I'm out. Hope y'all have a good day. Peace.